We use them every day. We search for more every day. We read them every day. We memorize them like nursery rhymes.
Words are clothes that our thoughts wear. And I love particularly the word nice, because it's a simple way of saying wholeness or completeness, just to show admiration.
Words are single units of language used to express meaning to something, or they are symbols used to give meaning into whatever you want to express.
Words can tear your spirit. Words can mend your soul. Words are the most powerful weapons. Words are the most effective medications. Words to the wise are counters, but words to the foolish are noises. Words are paintings of the mind. Through words, we enjoy intercourse with great minds.